day. Your selflessness, kindness, and generosity inspires us to be the people we are. We are grateful for the late night conversations, the laughter, and the memories we have created together. We're gonna miss your warm smile, your comforting hugs, and your reassuring presence. We're gonna miss our talks about life, our shared dreams, and our silly jokes. But most of all, we're gonna miss the sense of security that you could only provide. As we're gonna navigate life without you, we will continue to make you proud, to chase our dreams, and to spread the love and kindness wherever we go. We know that you're no longer here with us physically, but your spirit lives within our hearts and those who loved you. Thank you for being our rock, our confidant, and our best friend. We love you. We will cherish every moment we shared until we meet again. Rest well, Mama. Your love will never fade. Thank you.
Our beloved Father, you are an amazing Father, the epitome of greatness. You have shown us that unconditional love and support. You have shown us what unconditional love and support means. You have taught us discipline, respect, humility, but overall, you are a man full of knowledge, wisdom, and integrity. We thank you for teaching us that when we face challenging times, we should always pray and put God first in everything. We appreciate your hard work and dedication, whether it's through the church, home, or workplace. Thank you for the words of encouragement and for giving us the best opportunities. You will be greatly missed. We hope that we will meet again on that great day. From Refilwe, Tshego, and Boipelo.
Thank you. Ke a le dumedisa phutego ya Modimo ka leina la Morena wa rona Jesu Kriste. Amen. Re sana nako. We're talking about time for family, and we promised gore we'll try to keep time. Jaaka ntate Mofokeng a bolela go bonagala gore e ka re we are losing control of time. I want to do something quickly and cut the rest of the things that I wanted to do. I quickly want to talk about our family. By 2007, we were still 6. I'm mentioning particularly 2007 because that's the year our mother was laid to rest on the 14th of January. And as we were talking, all of us, we said we have to stick together. I want to thank the Lord because before 2007, there were people who imposed in the family who wanted to break us apart. My grandfather, Thomas Matlokofinga, told us at some stage, calling us really 6 to the bedroom, Kanakwastale Frail. He took a number of sticks and he bound them with a rope. And then he gave them to each one of us, starting with my brother. Amofa roba atlolega, roba atlolega, roba atlolega, roba atlolega, roba atlolega, roba a hlolega. No one could break those sticks. Ha fetsa a bantsha di stick tseo a re fa tsone individually. A ba re roba. It was so easy for us to break. A re ke le sia le tshwaragane. No one must come in between you and break you apart. Way back in 1988, in October, he was laid to rest, my grandfather, on the 8th of October. Before then, he gave us those sticks. We've had our challenges, but Hariboa, we remembered the sticks, the circle that was formed by our grandfather. It was, it is, it will be beyond broken. We are still here. We are not alike, as you can see, but we are together. And we want to thank the Lord for that. My brother, Babanzi have benefited from him. We also benefited. Haraliana, all of us have had a chance to travel on a business trip to Gauteng. Now I even had a chance 2 times to Durban with him. And this man, always, when my brother wanted to do some things, he would call him. He was like a confidant to him. Amobiza, please come. Even the family, today, only anything, this is the man they talk to. Not that they don't talk to us, they do talk to us, but this is where they start. It was my brother, him, myself, this one, and this one. So my brother ke batshabeng, batho ba ba matshabeng ke batshabeng. Kore already unare tshabang batho because of the talks at the time. And then this one was named after one of our uncles, Kodiki Pogisho. Abaniwa lina leo. Now I was given 2 names. Those 2 names, one of them, out of question. So, Kebeketwela Kalila la gift. Because I come from 2 parents. My other grandmother, Onampisa gift. Nampisa gift, my other grandmother. But ke khotse ka lina la KB and ke khotse ka lina la Kabelo. And then go latela Itumeleng, go latela Tsietsi, who is also named after one of our cousin brother, Tsietsi. Then Bogotla Mami. Mami, Baba khotseng kana kwela di recitation. Batla gopola recitation ele ya ek wens ek was 'n groot seun al. Lei gopola. Ek wens ek was 'n groot seun al. In that recitation ke Afrikaans. Ke lebetse because khale ke sa bua Afrikaans. Higher towards the bottom. Motho ke Thapelo. Abare and Jesus who were from a mami ma. To me, haita from my mami ma, I looked at my mother. Kere are Jesu utlwile Thapelo ya ga mme wa ka. So I could not say mo go mme wa ka mami because she was already there and remisa okho, oskhobi, berere okho. Jaka my brother, ke batshabeng, ke ne remisa o tshabeng. So from that recitation, ke beketsa lina leo la mami leo. I was very, very close. My mother would not do anything. That's why she was so close to me. Mami more than anyone else in the family. And then they came by support us so that we stayed together. Kana kwe mami ki atlhagang ka yone. Ke blella o lady ke o lady. Re na le mami. re na le mamiki. O lady a re, no, that's fine. Re ka nna ra tsamaela yalo. Now, I want to say something quickly. My brother was sick, my sister was sick. Both of them, they've happened simultaneously, going in and out of the hospital. When that one, Atena, after a day or two, this one comes in. How Ajwa, after a day or two or a week, that one goes out. Something like that. So that is what we have experienced 4 times, that thing idiragala. And it has always been a question to us, why is it happening this way? We'll talk it over in the by and by. If we want to ask questions, the Lord will definitely answer those questions. For all the brothers, I'm appealing to you all, gentlemen. Ke kopa gore jaka nentse re tshwarane tshwaranela yalo go ska ba ganna le next tla tsenang in between. Each and every one of us on a di interests tse leng tsa gage ene re na le makoa ileng a rona, but ke kopa in the name of Jesus gore no one must come and break us apart. Le ska ba la idumella ntho eo la nka ba ka go kwatisa kapa wa kwatiswa ke o mo, remember gore ntate wa rona o dada o na re tshwere yana a dirile di stick a ba ga, do not allow anyone to break you apart. In the family bana ba ga ke a phapa ba bangwe, my brother Kyol yene, they paid my tuition ko Bethel ko sekolong sa Boruti ka boraro ba bone. And then he added up a little later on. As soon as I came to Bethel, my brother was starting now to sort of delegate me to all the duties. So in the family, we would call a meeting. Ha re tsa go bitsa meeting, abare you chair the meeting. Nna ke tla bala temana. Jeremiah yana e rata too much. Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11. That was the best text ya gage. Each and every meeting onabala temana ya Jeremiah eo. And you know what it said to us one day, ha itsa go e bala. A re temana e moruti se tseba o simolotse go iutlwa ka nna. Gore ka ke maketse gore how can ore motho o tswang go sekolong sa Boruti o simolotse go utlwa temana e ka wena. Go ne ke mmotsa why always o bala temana e? A re le moruti se tseba o simolotse go iutlwa ka nna. So unale very, very passionate. Una mention a moruti se tseba because they are very, very close friends. They have a long history. Some of the things I don't even know. Mabitsana bo boso, libo biloteria gatseo. Now, before I come to the family and finish, my brother went to Kirekia Bethel from Batu Church. Hafita mo Kirekia Bethel. He became an elder of the church. He has been to Batu Church. Before him. So, let me go there. And he made sure that church created a formal structure. At some stage, I think it was last year on my birthday, Hagere Bua Bro, Kabua Arbala Timana, Harbella, Abarabella, Morana Mudimu, Arile, Harita Kirekin, Retlekadi Kachu, Kadi colleague. And you must make sure that you commit to making sure where you pray, it's a rightful place with a formal structure. And then after that, all of a sudden he says to us, why are you ka tšhelete yaka ba ba mo itseng ba tla go polana bua yang ka tšhelete yaka a bua yana dinama tse ntse di ga yana ka tšhelete yaka ke tlo go tsenya di-fenster go kerekeng ya Bethel. So but it was irrelevant gore a re bolelle yalo. We did not take any grudge. We know how he talks to our brother. My sister, in other families, Feel okay? Okay. In other families, go na le di-link. How o tla mo family ya rona, you become like a link. Or my brother becomes like a link. Ha yetsa go tsamaya, a tlhokagala yana, then the link breaks in other families. Ke kopa gore my brother must not be a link. The chain is beyond broken. Ha see you, the family still continues. We are still going on. We are soldiering on as a family. Like we used to gather, re dira di party, re dira all those kind of things. Bana baka, go ntse go tswelela yalo. When we call, you answer. When you call, we answer. All of us standing here. That is my plea. My younger sister, unarata batho ya ka mme wa ka, ko namane kwa le ne le ene, batho ba tla tsena ko, ke ne ke sa rate ntho e kana ka ibolela le mme wa ka. O lady, why ha batho ba go tshaketse ba ya ko bedroom? O sa ba sa helle ko for isi. Batho ba di kamore tsa batho ba bang di a tlhomphiwa, but my mother would call people into the bedroom. Not that she was lazy to go out, but I want these people to feel welcome. That's why I allow them into the bedroom. Ke naganne gore I've said enough to my mom. Ka ba ka ibua after ke mo beile. But Rakgadi went on doing the same thing. Jaaka batho ba ntse ba paka. I don't know, maybe Mamiki now will go on doing the same thing. Because I get to organize probably from my grandmother, because they were very welcoming people, like other people would give a testimony. I think thus far we are done. Okay, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Ntwe makatsang ke gore why number 1 le number olas. And these two people, ke bone hela ba banang le bana ba banyana hela. Yes, boys. Abayo mo khona no ba besa ga mogareng. Ke ne ke ipotsa la why them? But Morena Modimo ke ena la itseng. I wish I could give 2 songs, but there's no time. I'm gonna sing only 1 song. And it's about to be now. Ndatem Konto, Kobi, give me number 6. Ndatem Konto, when I started singing at the age of 5. At the age of 12, I'm forced to be. He did not know what he was doing at that time, but he prepared me to be standing alone, singing like I'm doing today. May the Lord be praised all the time. A day is coming. A day is coming. I don't know how many of us are ready for that day. The trumpet shall sound. It says at the midnight cry, but the midnight cry does not mean 12 o'clock at night. It means at the time that we least expect, the trumpet will sound. I beseech you to get ready. I hear a sound of the mighty rushing wind, and it's closer now than it's ever been. I can almost hear the trumpet as Gabriel sounds the call. at the midnight cry, we'll be going home. I look around me and I see prophecy fulfilled. The signs of the time